How you doing? This is going to be a bike check video of a 2002, I believe. It might be a 2001, but it's a Diamondback BMX Viper X Freestyle. You can tell it's a Freestyle by the gyro on the neck. Got this silver and black bad boy on Craigslist from a guy named Corey, I believe, down in, well, he lived in Danville, California, north of Oakland, but I think I met him near the Coliseum where the Village Drunks, the Oakland Raiders, play. So this is my bike check of my 2002 Diamondback Viper X Freestyle BMX bike. It's in really good shape. I don't think it was ridden very much. Made in China. It's got SST-ORYG gyros, Crane Creek Industries. I don't know if you can see that. The tires, Kenda, of course, Diamondback tires. Single piece crank here. All the reflectors are on it. It's from the Livermore Cyclery there in Livermore, California. You guys can get a gander at that. Designed in the USA, of course, made in China. It's got Pro Max brakes. Really, it's high tensile steel here. It's hard to see because the helmet and the brake and the hole I have it locked to here in my job. It's got really unique dropouts here with some kind of attachments on it. Not sure. Yeah. It's a really nice bike. If I wasn't so broke and I didn't have already so many BMX bikes littering my garage, I'd probably keep it. I had it on Craigslist for like $120. I bought it for $40 on Craigslist. Yeah, so I'm going to try to flip this bad boy. All I did to it was wash it, wax it, put a little lube on the chain, and put some lube on the brakes so they ran a little bit better. It has a beautiful crank too. Let me show you the crank here. You can get a gander at it. Yeah, so yeah. I put the bike in www.bmxmuseum.com. It's an archive for BMX bikes. It's really great. It's run by a guy named Gary up in Oregon. I think he's near Portland. So you get 4 pictures and some text about your BMX bike. You can talk to owners and research bikes and all that stuff. So you should check out the bmxmuseum.com. And yeah, so it's in the museum. So I'm going to have to stop the video because I'm running out of storage spaces, but thank you so much for listening. Okay, bye-bye.